Hey guys, it's your girl Tanya Rochelle.
It's your girl Kaylee.
We're just dropping in to give a quick update on our mentorship program that we have for the diabetic test strips. The special has ended and we have just a regular price now, which still ain't breaking the bank. But it's my job to just kind of show you the progress that is being made in the group. Okay, so before I show you that, for those of you who do not know, I do have a mentorship program that is done via Facebook groups. And what we do is we actually put people in business. We actually get you started and teaching you how to market, teaching you, in terms of dealing with your clients and everything that's needed from the beginning to the ending. We are your buyer. Also, for the first 10 transactions as you go through the learning phase in the mentorship program. And then after that, we get you to a direct buyer. Okay, we give you a direct buyer. So by the time that you get to the buyer, you already know what to do. You're not making newbie mistakes. You know how to market. You have pretty much a consistent clientele because you followed the system that we have already set up in our mentorship program. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here. I'm just going to kind of quickly go through here. This is our private group. One of our mentees, he got some more from using OfferUp, different ways to market, right? Others are purchasing their signs and all. We have our training videos that are going on. We have a lady who just got paid. Okay, so a lot of different things that are going on, just by being a part of our mentorship group. This lady got 16 boxes. She made very quickly. You see, this is from the 3rd. I really don't want to too much show their names, but guys, this is happening. These are real people, everyday people, just like yourself, who are coming in, who's not been here a week and has already started to make money. If you're not a part of this program, what are you doing? Trying to figure it out for yourself? You got to have some tough skin out there. It's cold out there in the world when you're by yourself. So we have a community of people who are doing the same thing. So the questions that you have, they're going to already pretty much know. If it's not from me, it's from them. They've been there, done that, just by following our system. Plus, we give you step-by-step what to do. You have the training videos and you have the ebook that walks you step-by-step what to do. You get the products. You don't worry about the buyer. We got you. Plus we're keeping you up to date because remember, this is a commodity. Things change. Not all products are being bought always. So you need to know when there's fluctuations in the market. That's all I'm saying. We got people who are less than 7 days making plenty of money. So just so you know, so now I'm just going to start showing you results. That's it. And the more and the better results get, I don't know, we may go up again on the price of getting into the group because I'm giving it to you. I'm giving it to you. And, procrastination is going to cost. Procrastination costs, and I'm giving you a call of action. If you are looking to get into the business and you cannot afford to get into the courses, okay, we have eliminated the excuses. You can join the mentorship, the partnership group. And let me be clear about that. What does that mean? It means you come in and you join at a low cost. You get the education as to what to do. Your first 10 transactions, I am your buyer. I double your money. Okay? And you are learning the business and earning at the same time. By the time you have gotten to your 10th transaction, you are no longer making the newbie mistakes. You know what to do. I can now present you to my network of buyers. as someone that they can trust, who's been trained, who knows what to do. You understand what I'm saying? Because right now, a lot of people, they just want to get into it, or they had a little experience, don't really know what to do. And it's a lot of things you got to know along the way as to what to do. Your buyers don't have time to show you what to do and explain. They just either, let's do the transaction, let's get the money, let's move on. So that's where I come in at, helping to bridge that gap, making sure you know what to do, making sure you can go ahead and build your clientele. Right now, it's just $100 to join our group. And, you know, a lot of people see that stimulus money, they've been slowed down now. You should have took that money. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm glad for the people who have taken action, who have taken that money and have now put themselves in a position where that money will continue to make money for them. Even if it's an extra $400 or $500 a week, what would that do for you? That'll pay a bill. That's a light bill, a water bill, and a gas bill. $400? That's a car note or some insurance, you know, and it only took you about 45 minutes. That's all I'm saying. I'm through. My little rant is done. I just wanted to share that information with you because it's getting hot in here and we having progress over here. And you know me, I'm going to come tell you, because if you don't take action, it's going to be hard for you to look at my videos, because the people that you see winning could be you. And the only excuse that you have is the one that you're giving yourself. I'm giving you every opportunity to get in, get trained, get in business, make money, rinse and repeat. It's your girl, Tanya Rochelle. I'm out.